What up, you guys? It's your girl Nikea, and I'm back today with another video, and I am in full glam, and you will see why I am in full glam. The next video I post, you will understand why. But you clicked on this video because you wanted to know about, obviously, what the title says. In this video, I'm going to talk about the time that I went viral. If you did not know, yes, your girl went viral. I went viral doing the giant straw challenge, guys. And if you haven't watched that video yet, pause this video and go watch it. I'm gonna tag it in the description below. Go watch it so that you can totally understand what I'm talking about in this video. So pause and then come back. But those of you who have already seen that video, you guys know how fucking crazy it is. The object of the challenge was to drink juice out of a paper towel holder or a toilet tissue holder, and obviously it's like impossible to do. I was choking on juice for days, literally days. Your girl almost killed herself for a fucking challenge. Like, what is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? But yes, that is the video that went viral, you guys. And my page isn't private on Instagram. If you follow me, look at the description, like Simply Kia with 2 A's. That is my Instagram. It's not private. So when I posted it, it literally immediately got shared everywhere. It had over 8 million views on Facebook, 2 million views on Twitter, 85,000 views on my YouTube. Like, it was everywhere, you guys. If you think about it, it was there. Like, literally everybody reposted it. And like I said, like, my intentions were not to go viral. I literally made a fool of myself trying to do a stupid challenge, and I knew my friends would get a kick out of it. So that's why I posted it. But it was so funny that everybody reposted it, and then it just got reposted, and it just blew up bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's how I went viral. Finding out you went viral can be a really scary thing because you don't know which way it's gonna be. I posted it at like maybe 6 or 7 o'clock at night, and I didn't realize that I was going viral until the very next day. It was probably about like 12 or 1 o'clock the next day. One of my friends from high school messaged me and was like, yo, your video is going viral on Twitter. You have like 2 million views already, and it's all over the place. So I was like, really? Like, let me check it out. So of course I go on and I see my video is on Twitter, my video is on Facebook, my video is on Snapchat, my video is on WorldStar, my video is on Funny Blacks, Daquan. You guys, my video was everywhere. Like, everywhere. It was everywhere. It was everywhere. And what the fuck was, like, the only thing I could say, oh my gosh, what the fuck? Literally. Like, because I was not anticipating to go viral. Like, that was not my goal. My goal was, anybody who knows me personally, who knows my personality and knows the type of person that I am, they automatically know that, number one, I'm a nut. I'm a clown. I love laughing. I literally can, I clown myself. Like, I literally can laugh at myself. I'm a jokester. I'm entertaining. I like entertainment. I like to make people laugh. I like to, you know, bring joy to people's lives. So what happened in the video, it wasn't surprising to people who actually know me personally. But anyway, saying all that to say, that was the reason that I uploaded the video. Like, I tried the challenge, I recorded it, and I made a fool of myself. And I wanted to upload it because I knew people would get a kick out of it. My goal was not to go viral. And the fact that I did go viral was insane, you guys. Like, I got a little taste of what it's like to be trolled. And let me tell you guys, y'all internet thugs are a trip. Like, if I was not the type of person that I am, if I didn't care, if I was the type of person who cared about what people thought or cared about what people said about them, then I would have been finished. Like, I would have been ruined. I would have been so depressed because people were saying some really nasty things, like just mean, rude. You internet trolls are fucking ridiculous, son. Like ridiculous. And people were spoofing my video. Like they're to this day, I keep getting tagged in spoofs. People making spoofs about it. Someone just tagged me in it the other day. Someone made a whole YouTube video called "The World's Dumbest Women," and my video was a part of that compilation in that video. And I was like, damn, like, I mean, it didn't bother me because, like I said, I could laugh at myself. Like, there's nothing you can say to me to make me feel bad or to a point where you fuck up my mood. That's just, I have pretty thick skin, you know, and I wouldn't have posted it if I wasn't able to laugh at myself. But the fact that people took the time out of their day to just say really rude and nasty things made me realize, like, damn, this is how the celebrities be. This is what the celebrities be talking about when they say the internet trolls got to them, because that as an everyday thing, I mean, it has to be exhausting. But yep, got a little taste of the internet trolls, and yeah, it definitely got crazy. It got crazy. My coworkers were teasing me, saying, oh my gosh, you're a celebrity, you're famous now. Like, please, like, just because somebody goes viral does not make them famous, bruh. But like I said, like, getting a taste of the trolls definitely made me see the other side of it. But I mean, it was fun. Overall, that experience was really fun. In our family group chat, we were sending the memes all day. Just like, we all got a kick out of it. Like, it was really funny. My friend was kind of bothered by the fact that I went viral, just because she was worried that the comments would get under my skin. You know, she was just being a good friend. Worried about me because she knows me and I can be sensitive sometimes, but in situations like that, I assured her, you know, you don't ever have to worry about me worrying about what other people say about me, because I put this content out. You know, I knew it was coming. I signed up for it. Hello. But yeah, other than that, like, I got all positive feedback from it. You know, people who know me, like, personally, it's like, there goes Kia again. Typical Kia shit. Like, nothing new. Different day, different challenge, different fucking, you know, nothing new. That's just how I am. That's just the type of person that I am. But yeah, going viral was definitely an experience. Someone in another country asked me if they could play it on TV. Like, who would have thought a simple challenge video would blow up as much as it did, you guys? Like, it was insane. But I'm grateful for the experience. You know, how often do you meet someone that says I went viral? It's crazy to think that people go viral on a daily basis. I myself probably would not be able to handle the amount of attention that going viral gives, because it's a lot of pressure and it's a lot of stress to have so much attention on you. Like, I thought that I used to be like, I loved attention, but not all attention is good attention. And I would not want to have the stress of having so much attention on me every day. So I'm glad I'm back to little old me. And another thing, you guys, which was crazy, somebody recognized me when I was in Target. Like, this man was like, hey, you're that girl from my Facebook. You're the one that did that challenge. And it was probably a couple days after the video went viral. And I was like, yeah, that was me. He was like, are you okay? Like, I'm like, yeah, you know, your girl was coughing up juice for a few days, but overall, I made it. But yeah, so that was cool, like, to be recognized from one small video. It was like, wow, you guys recognize little old me. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm glad that, you know, that is over and I'm back to being little old me again. I'm glad it's something that I did get to experience. I mean, how many people get to say, I've gone viral before? Like, not many people get to experience that. So I think that it was cool. I got like a few thousand followers from it. Majority of them have unfollowed me now, but definitely a lot of people are still following me because of the type of content that I post, you know. My channel kind of varies. It varies from a wide range of things, you know, and yeah, but going viral was definitely an experience, and I just wanted to make a really quick video about the time that I went viral. I definitely have more videos coming. If you guys can tell, I'm in full glam. The next video I post, you'll understand why I'm in full glam, but I just wanted to take this time to bang out a couple videos since I look cute, you know, and I just figured it's the right time to just go ahead and talk about the time that I went viral. If you guys have any questions or any video suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, you guys. Like, I'm always looking for content to provide you guys. You guys are my subscribers, and I appreciate you all so much. You guys all mean so much to me, and obviously I want to provide you with the content that you want to see. So please let me know what type of stuff you want to see from me. I have a grip of videos in my vault that I'm getting ready to bang out, so stay tuned, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging with me and rocking with me, even though I haven't been consistently uploading. Y'all are some real ones, and I love y'all, and I fuck with y'all heavy for doing that. But it's coming, you guys. I've been securing my bag all 2020. I got hella videos in my vault that I'm about to bang out. I'm gonna be uploading at least twice a week. So stay tuned, you guys. My channel is just about to get this whole dope ass makeover. But yeah, I want to include you guys in my channel. I want to include you guys in that, you know. I want you guys to let me know what type of content you want to see. I want to provide you what you want to see. So please let me know. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on that bell notification so that you get an alert every time I do post a new video, so you don't miss anything. Please like this video, share it, tell a friend to subscribe. You know how this thing goes. All right, guys, until next time, peace.